Hi, everybody. I'm Martin Bandyke from Ann Arbor's 1071. Welcome to Borders 01. Welcome, Borders Online. Welcome to Ann Arbor's 1071. It has been a while since we've been at Borders on Liberty Street, and as always, it's a real thrill to be here. It is not going to be a Blue Monday. This is going to be a really fun Monday because we have an incredibly brilliant, socially conscious man and a band that plays some of the most soulful music on the planet. Please welcome to Borders in 1071, Michael Franti and Spearhead.
Thanks, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Uh-huh. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Uh-huh. Put your hands together now. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill today, and I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's as high as the times you're in. So I jump back in where I learned to swim. Try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. Pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, and that's the sound of sunshine coming down, down, down. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Tell me how you feeling, y'all. I saw my friend Bobby, he said, what's up, man? You got a little work for 20 to lend. I opened up my hand, he said, I'm glad to see. They could take away my job, but not my friends, you see. And here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. Pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Yo, here we go. I wanna go where the summer never ends, with my guitar on the beach there with all my friends. The sun's so hot and the waves in motion, and everything smells like suntan lotion. The ocean and the girl's so sweet. So kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles are never ceasing. Every single soul needs a little releasing. Stereo bumping till the sun goes down, and I only wanna hear that sound. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Jay, play that guitar for me now. Sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Put your hands together, y'all. I say, you're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, and that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Hey, hey, hey. Let me hear you sing it now. And that's the sound of sunshine. One more time, y'all. And that's the sound. Thanks, y'all.
Michael Franti and Spearhead at Borders 01. Let's hear it for these guys. Incredible. Woo! Oh, yes.